To automatically adjust your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra media volume when you are exercising, you have to add the media volume as one of the action of the exercise mode and then set the volume level as needed. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise. Tap other action. Tap add action. Tap sound and vibration. Tap media volume. Here you can set the media volume level when it's played with phone speaker, wired headphone, and Bluetooth audio. As the example, we will set phone speaker to 50%, wired headphone to 45%, and Bluetooth audio to 50%. Tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, now when exercise mode is active and you play media such as a song, then your phone will automatically adjust the media volume level to 50% while you are listening through your phone speaker, 45% when you are listening through your wired headphone, and 50% when you are listening through the Bluetooth audio. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.